Hi, good day to everyone. I just want to tell you that if you have a Galaxy Note 5 and if you have a 2-year-old kid who loves playing around inside the house and who loves exploring new things with all the stuff that you brought in and even the stuffs that are not supposed and that are not made for them, like this, there's a big chance that this will happen. So my 2-year-old daughter just broke this stylus pen of my wife's Galaxy Note 5. I can't fix it, so what I did, I went to AliExpress and ordered this one. So today we are going to unbox, we're going to unpaper this new stylus pen from Samsung through AliExpress, and it was also shipped by China Post. They promised to deliver this within 30 to 45 days, but I got it earlier. By the way, I am recording this video using my new Boya BY-MM1 microphone. Okay, so we are going to unpaper this one now and let's see how good it is. Alright, let me just stir this up. Okay, they always use the paper with the bubble wrap inside the paper. Alright, and this is the item. Of course, it is again wrapped with the bubble plastic or the bubble wrap. I'm just going to Alright, so I went to a plastic surgery. Nothing changed, but this is the change for this damaged stylus pen. So this will be the replacement for this one. So we will check this out, see it inside, see this one. You can order this item from AliExpress. I will put the description below. I will put the link so you can buy this directly from AliExpress. Just check the link. Alright, here it is. I'm going to open it up and it is just safely sitting there. Just pull that out. I don't know if there's another thing inside. There's none. So here's now the replacement for the damaged S Pen of Samsung Note 5. Right, look at the difference. Alright, so the Note 5 controller, the Note 5 S Pen will replace this one. So let me get the phone and try to put it in. Alright, that's it. Let's try to pull that out. Okay, easy. Alright, as you can see, it's working like it's supposed to be. Both of them has the word China embedded on this part, but one of them doesn't have the number coding. I don't know what that's for, but that's for us to know. So I don't know, I'm actually not sure if this is genuine. I can say that this is OEM, so it's up to you to check it out. But if you want to check it out, you can just click the link down below and it will bring you directly to the AliExpress site on this product. Okay, so that's it. See you guys, thank you. And if you want more videos about my reviews on the items we bought, just click subscribe and that notification bell so that you will receive a notification whenever we have a new video. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys on the next videos. Bye bye.